Hello, welcome to Kira's TV and we're going to talk about my atomic card. So ito yung itsura ng card guys. Meron silang dalawang color na available. Pero mas pinili ko yung black kasi black is my favorite color. So obvious naman kasi black yung background. And yeah, I'm going to share my experience about Atomic. So I got approved last month and I received the card after 2 weeks na ma-approve ako. And then, unang beses ko siyang ginamit for paying my bill. So, ginamit ko siya for internet bill. Maybe next time, I'm going to make a tutorial video of how to process payment using Atomic Card kay PLDT. So, yun yung magiging next content ko. And the second time na ginamit ko siya is ginamit ko siya pang shopping sa TikTok. So, as far as I could remember, I bought uh, 3 items. And wala akong naging problema, naging successful yung payment sa tatlong items na yon. And then sa third attempt is ginamit ko siyang pang grocery. Ginamit ko siya sa Save More. So my experience using the card pang grocery is they're going to ask you if it's debit or credit. Actually, wala namang problema kung saan man dun yung sasabihin mo. Pwede siyang sabihin debit, pwede mo siyang sabihin credit. Pero yung pinagkaiba lang, if you're going to say debit, they're going to ask for PIN. And pag sinabi mo namang credit sa kanila, wala na silang itatanong. So, para sa akin, mas mabuti pang sabihin mo na lang credit. At ang isa pang tanong nila is kung i-charge ba lahat. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung tanong sa akin. If it's debit or credit, sinabi ko credit. And then, kung i-charge ba lahat, yes, i-charge mo lahat. Yun lang.